In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses and bills in Zoho Books. Keeping track of your expenses is one of the most important parts of managing your business finances, and Zoho Books makes this process simple and repeatable once you know where everything is. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create an expense entry from start to finish, and I'll share tips along the way so your records stay organized and accurate. First, log into your Zoho Books account and look at the main navigation menu. On the left-hand side, you'll see different modules like Dashboard, Sales, and so on. For recording expenses and bills, you'll want to go to the Purchases section. Go ahead and click on Purchases. This area is where you manage everything you spend, including bills, vendors, and one-off expenses. Once you're in the Purchases section, look for the Expenses option. Right beside the word Expenses, you'll see a small plus sign icon. This plus sign is what you use whenever you want to add a new expense. Click on the plus sign next to Expenses, and Zoho Books will open a new expense form for you to fill in. Now you're on the expense entry screen, and this is where you fill in the details. Take your time here, because the information you enter will affect your reports and how you understand your spending later on. Start by selecting the date of the expense, which should match the date on your receipt or bill. Then, choose the appropriate vendor or payee if you're recording a payment to a specific supplier or service provider. Next, pick the right expense account or category, such as utilities, office supplies, travel, or whatever matches the nature of your purchase. You can also add a brief description so you remember what this expense was for. Enter the amount, select the correct currency if needed, and apply any taxes if your business tracks tax on purchases. If Zoho Books allows it in your setup, you may also want to attach a copy of your receipt or bill so everything is stored in one place. When you've finished reviewing all the information and everything looks correct, scroll down to the bottom of the form and click on Save. Zoho Books will record the expense and add it to your list under the Expenses section, where you can view, edit, or report on it later. That's all you need to do to record expenses and bills in Zoho Books. Once you've done this a few times, it becomes a quick part of your regular bookkeeping routine.